With regards to the incident that has taken place on Sunday, completely condemn this incident. I have taken up the issues with both departments, Home Department, Mapusa Police Station, University, as well as Excise Department. Zoning Department actually, they have already initiated action on Sunday. On Sunday night, when I got the information, immediately Monday morning they have asked and they are meeting with owners of this place. हांव विनंती करता प्रत्येक वायन स्टोराक की जेन्ना तुमी आयटम्स विकता लोकांक मेक शुअर दॅट दे डू नॉट कंज्यूम इट आउटसाइड युअर शॉप्स. ड्रिंकिंग पब्लिक इज अ पनिशेबल ऑफेन्स. म्हाका खबर ना खूब लोकांक कडेन खबर आसचें ना बट इट इज देर इज अ फायन फॉर ड्रिंकिंग इन पब्लिक एंड पुलीस विल टेक स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन. आमी म्हापसा पी आय ऑलरेडी सांगलेलें आसा to initiate these drives all over Mapusa. So with regards to Mapusa, we will ensure that this incident does not take place again. Maybe good at there was nobody to check the situation, but be assured that it will not happen.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.